Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the channel and the direction maybe that it's going in. Being a veteran and having PTSD and being 100% disabled for about 15 years now, there's a lot of things that I've gone through that I like to share with people. I can understand if this is something that you're not interested in or you don't want to talk about. I'm trying to figure out how to put chapters, down below to where you can skip through this part here if you don't want, if you're just here for the video. So give me some time. To me it looks kind of labor intensive. It takes a while. I use DaVinci Resolve. So if anybody has any questions, any suggestions, can point me in the right direction on how to do this, I would appreciate it, because it's all new to me on here. So basically, the video is of the park again, but it's at the main entrance. I don't think I've done it this way before. So the entrance coming off of Fred Waring, where the main statue is and the flags and everything. There's 4 flags. So I did that part. Today's Wednesday. I did that also on Monday. Today is Wednesday the 2nd of July. So we have that with the park and everything. You might be able to hear, I have some landscapers working outside on the golf course. And there might be a little loud. I don't know if I'm picking them up while I'm in here, but we'll see. So basically that's going to be what the video is about. But the VA part, the reason I mentioned that also is I have an appointment tomorrow at Loma Linda, which is about 50 miles from where I'm at. And I have problems with my neck. Being a senior citizen, I guess you have some aches and pains, but I don't really have any aches and pains outside of my neck. They did an x-ray on my neck, and I have arthritis between the 7th and 6th vertebrae in my neck. And it's really kind of funny. It only gives me problems at night when I sleep. During the day, it seems like I'm okay. It's there, but it's not really noticeable compared to at night when I'm trying to sleep. So there's not much you can do with it, they say, with the arthritis. So I don't want to bore you with that if you're not here for that reason, but I just think with my 100% disability, I've been around the whole system. I get dental, medical, and everything for free. I don't pay a co-payment or anything. So I can help other vets if you have any questions or anything about where to go or what to do and stuff. So besides the videos, I'll also talk about the veterans things. And it sounds like, I keep looking around, it sounds like this guy is getting closer and closer, and I'm getting louder and louder. So what I might have to do is wait an hour or so and redo this. So I'm going to go see what this sounds like. So kind of bear with me. But this might be the end of this video. If not, I'll let you know if I had to record another one or not. Or I might just cut all this out on here. So other than that, everybody have a good time. Have a good 4th of July. 4th of July is Friday, I believe. Be safe and sane, as they say. And if you can help me out with the chapter markers, I'd appreciate it. If somebody can give me a link to go in the right direction to get that done, it would probably help everybody, because if you're not interested in the VA part and you're just interested in the video part, you shouldn't have to listen to this. So now, as it sounds like I'm winding down, it sounds like the guy is coming off of his machine a little bit. So yeah, of course now he's almost stopped, but we'll see what this comes out like. So outside of that, everybody have a safe holiday, and if you're traveling, be safe. And any questions, complaints, suggestions, I'd appreciate it. Just as you know, just put it down below and everything. So, but that's all for today. Enjoy the video. Thank you. Okay, good morning, YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today is June 31st or June 30th. I don't know why I can never remember that. We're a senior citizen, right? We're at the park again, but this is a different entrance to the park. So you can get to it from about 4 different entrances. So this is one we hadn't been to before. This is right off of Fred Waring before you get to San Pablo. So we're going to go down this way where the flags are at and go around there. I'll show you some of that. So we just came back from the corner of Cook and Highway 111 where we saw all the palm trees that were on a corner. So I want to go back and look at that video. And over here on this side is all administrative buildings over here. It'd be a nice place to work at, I would think. You could go to the park every day on your lunch. Or come in early before you go to work. I think it'd be pretty cool. Don't know what these buildings are over here. Big parking lot, but this building section right there, that butts right up to the park. You could have an office window overlooking the park, see the ducks and you could see the ducks and the water and people coming up here. Now here's one of the across the street here. And it tells you City Hall. To the left, amphitheater, and then it says buildings, and then the numbers of the buildings are over there. So we'll walk up across this intersection. Get up where the statue is and the main flags. I guess maybe they're trying to say that this is the main entrance to the park. When I was here a couple of years ago, I don't think I even went this way when we were here. So see what I mean about the buildings? Office buildings are right next to the park. I think that'd be pretty cool to work there. And then here's the main area here. There's a little place to sit, looks like. You can see the park goes off over that way. In fact, all the ducks are in the shade, which I don't blame them. And we'll swing around here. And here's the statue. I don't know if it says anything or not, but we'll see here. This says Messenger of the Pool by Kurt Mapson, dedicated April 25th, 1992. So this has been here for a while. Well, we'll look at this. Up there like so. Park goes around this way. So we'll just do a short walk around here. All right. So we'll come up this way. Here's the information board. We looked at one of these before on the other side. Hi. How are you? Hi. Hello. So here's the information board on this side. And it shows some information here. The Holocaust Memorial, restrooms, picnic pavilion, courts, amphitheater. We've been to the Holocaust Museum. Memorial, I mean, it's not a museum, it's outside. Oh, here comes the ducks. Here comes some ducks. Oh, here comes some ducks. Yeah, we're coming right here. You guys are coming right to us. I guess they figured out we didn't have any food for them, so they left. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and... Okay, we'll just cross this bridge here and then turn around, because we've done most of this before, so. Sometimes you can see turtles on the side over here. Can we see any turtles over here? Yeah, there's 2 of them, 3 of them, 4 of them. There's one down here. I don't know if we can see him though, through here. They're kind of camouflage, aren't they? Okay, let's walk around this way. Here's the main entrance to the amphitheater. But like I said, I think we've done this before, so I'm sure it's in one of my other videos. We just wanted to come in this way of show you a different way to come into the park. Okay. Going out to where the parking lot is. There's pigeons, a bunch of pigeons. Bunch of pigeons. And then of course the main water. Like I said, we've seen all this before, I think. So, just wanted to show you the clock over here. Time's not right, it's never right. The whole time I've been coming over here. I'm sure there must be some reason why. Must be some reason why. Here's the information here. Okay, I'm going to do this again. I think the camera crapped out on me. So we'll go ahead and stop it here. I can feel it vibrating in my hand. So we'll stop it here and I'll fill in on the intro when we get at home. So If you have any questions, let me know, put it down in the comments below, and outside of that, I'll see you on the next one. Okay, bye-bye.